indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, heated mirrors, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2017 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, FWD, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.